Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both monitors are powered and connected. Check cables and inputs now. Once done, open Display Settings on Windows or Displays in Mac OS System Preferences. You need to identify each screen using the Identify button or Arrangement view so you know which monitor is labeled 1 or 2. Make sure to select the correct display tile before changing anything, because the next steps act on the active monitor. This avoids swapping the wrong screen and keeps your layout predictable. With the correct monitor selected, make it primary. On Windows, check Make this my main display. On Mac OS, drag the white menu bar to that display in Arrangement. You do this so Taskbar, Dock, and New Windows default where you want them, while here, adjust resolution and scaling to the monitor's native specs to avoid fuzzy text. Next, reposition displays in the schematic so cursor movement maps to your desk. This step prevents cursor confusion when you move between screens. Finalize by applying settings and testing. Open Apps and Move Windows to confirm the primary display holds the taskbar or menu bar. If you see a duplicated image or a blank screen, toggle between Extend and Duplicate modes or reseat cables. Sometimes switching inputs and switching back resolves detection. If problems persist, update your GPU drivers and reboot, because outdated drivers often break multi-monitor behavior. If only one monitor displays, test each cable and monitor independently to isolate a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.